My name is Antoni and I'm participating in Lynn University's internship program for the first time. I'm working at Providence Tennis Academy in Providence, Rhode Island. My employer is Nesta Burnaby. My job is to coach and supervise beginner tennis players and assist my employer in any way possible. I'm working at two locations, Classical High School with my employer and at Johnston Park with a supervisor named Curtis. At Classical High School, the kids will start with a warm-up by running a few laps around the court, and then doing a dynamic warm-up, which is doing different stretches on the court. After the dynamic warm-up, the kids will warm up their ground strokes from the service line and the baseline. After the warm-up, I'll start leading drills for the 3 to 4 players on my court. I'll toss them balls by hand, and this will usually consist of 4 ground strokes side to side. Then I'll go to the other side and start doing the same thing but feeding balls with my racket. All the time I'm making sure that they're moving their feet and that they stay focused. I've learned a lot from my employers so far, such as how to discipline the kids appropriately, how to properly feed balls, and how to watch the beginner players playing matches. I do this by making sure I'm moving around the court in a circle. If the kids ask questions, I'm ready to help them out, as well as be a judge for in and out calls. I also make sure they're not arguing with each other. In addition, I make sure the kids are not tripping over the balls. Either 2 or 3 times a week, players will go to CrossFit Providence, in which they participate in various exercises, such as pull-ups, deadlifts, rowing on machines, etc. At Johnston Park, my routine is much different. On Mondays and Wednesdays, my supervisor Curtis will pick me up and take me to Johnston Park. When we get there, we go to the main office to pick up the attendance sheet. Then we go to the courts and wait for the kids to arrive. When they arrive, Curtis and I will lead a similar warm-up to what is done at Classical High School. After the warm-up, I start doing drills with the 10 kids that I have on my court. I'll hand toss some balls close to the service line so that they can practice their ground strokes and volleys. To conclude the day, I will play their favorite game, Jailbreak, which they ask to play constantly. In conclusion, I have learned many new things by taking part in this internship, and I look forward to the last few weeks of this internship at Providence Tennis Academy. Thank you.